In this video I will show you how hyperlapse works. With hyperlapse you can shoot some amazing short footage that is stitched together by a numerous amount of pictures. Hey, if you're new around here, I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to improve your drone skills, learn about e-wheels, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. The hyperlapse function, that is so cool. It's a fully automated time-lapse machine, and it basically works by you flying a certain route in the sky, and then it takes a number of pictures that it stitches together in the end for a really nice little sequence. So let's get airborne and I will show you how it works. That was pretty close. Let's use the top of the building as our point for a hyperlapse. So I go in here in my intelligent flight modes, then I choose hyperlapse. And as you can see, there are 4 ways to do this. There's either the freeway, where you basically control the direction of the camera while you're flying. There is the circle way, where you pick a point of interest and then it will do the hyperlapse around that point. Then there is the course lock hyperlapse. In that way it will basically fly a line, and then you can set a point of interest, but the drone will follow the line but direct the camera towards the point that you have chosen. Finally, there's waypoints. Let's go and take that one. You basically set some points where you want the drone to travel, and it will do a time lapse between those points. I think for the sake of this demonstration that I will do the course lock thing. Let's choose the course lock, and that's okay. And I am saying that I want the pictures taken with an interval of 2 seconds. The video should be 5 seconds, and the speed is 1.8 kilometers an hour. So the first thing we need to do is we need to lock our course. So we turn the drone in this direction, say okay, we want it to fly in this direction, and then we press this course icon. So now the course has been locked. So what we can do now is we can go back here, and then we can take the top of the building. Now our course is locked, and we also have pointed out the sort of the center of the hyperlapse, and then it's just to press go. And now the drone will start doing its thing, and we can take the unicycle and drive a little bit around while it's doing that, because it will take 4 minutes and 9 seconds. So we can fool around on the unicycle in the meantime. No. I'm still keeping the controller here. I should probably wear some of my safety gear. Especially if I need to do like this. There's people in our group that is significantly better at doing this than I am. So right now it has taken 43 pictures, 45, goes pretty fast. We are getting closer, so let's just throw the unicycle like this. So now it's done. It has taken 125 pictures. So let's bring it back. I just got a cramp in my foot. Okay. All right, so that was the hyperlapse. Let me show you what the final result looked like. And the cool part is you can review the result directly on your phone. It might be better quality when you view it on your computer. So this is how the end result looks like. Wasn't that cool? I think hyperlapse is one of the coolest features that I got with the Mavic 2 Pro. My two absolute favorites are the circle hyperlapse, but also the course lock. That seems to be doing a pretty nice job. So go out, play with it, and have some fun. And maybe you want to share these clips, these time-lapse clips, in the Tech Drone Media Facebook group. If you're not already a member, then I will leave a link in the description below that will link to the group so you can join. I would look forward to seeing some of your results in that forum. I hope you liked this video. If so, then make sure to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.